of course, I'm also going to watch it, as I'm not there this time because of my knee arthritis. But obviously, it feels bad when you have played 3 Olympics. But I think you have to carry on. And now I'm there to support them, and I hope we get a lot of medals for the country. I definitely feel China, Korea is strong. Carolina Marin is strong, and Japan is very strong. So as I said, top 10 players are all equal. So I cannot say one name at the moment. The same thing with the men's. You can see Victor is playing well, Christy is playing well, Shiuki is playing well. So even they have a lot of players. Even they have a lot of players who can, who can win medals. So I can't pinpoint one name, but all of them have good chances to get medal in the Olympics. Motivational slogan. I think all of them are very experienced. They know what to do to get medals. They all are hard-working people, and luck is always with the people who work hard. So I'm sure they know what to do, and they're all working very hard to get the medals. So all the best to everyone. Yeah. I would like to thank हमारे राष्ट्रपति उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया और she invited me actually एक motivational talk था वहाँ पे, so I went there and I was so surprised to see that there were so many young kids who wanted to play badminton along with me, but वहाँ पे मुझे president के साथ खेलने का मौका मिलेगा was something very very big. It is like a dream come true, पहले कभी नहीं हुआ है हिस्ट्री में, बट पहली बार वो मेरे साथ खेली, मुझे विश्वास भी नहीं हो रहा था. वो अच्छी प्लेयर है, शी यूज्ड टू प्ले एज वेल, तो काफ़ी उनके हस्बैंड भी खेलते थे, तो उन्होंने ही उनको खेलने के लिए मोटिवेट किया है. She was talking to me on that day. She was like, Rose, evening I make sure I'm playing some sport, and she played badminton with us. I think nothing is bigger than that. So I would like to thank हमारे president जिन्होंने बैडमिंटन को इतना बढ़ावा दिया, and I'm sure सभी sports को इतना बढ़ावा मिले. और क्या चाहिए इंडिया में? I want कि sports culture और grow हो, and that's what is important. Yeah. That is, I think it's growing. The more the results, the better it is. Now the results are coming. Government is sending them to all the tournaments. We have so many organizations who are funding the young athletes, which was not there when I started playing. Lekin now the things are changing, and it's changing for good. Because now in the 10th and 11th standard, we don't have to think कि पढ़ाई करना है या इसमें, because we have the organizations which are helping all the athletes so that they can take badminton as a professional career.
Okay.